Girl, who are you playing with?
Thanks, dude.
You been on the new stuff.
Yeah, back in the garage, day 2. We are gonna finish this thing finally. And while Shane is cleaning up, I am gonna continue prepping this floor for epoxy and as well as getting these 2 front rooms show ready. It's supposed to be a small gallery space, so we brought all of my paintings from home, the dragon paintings, and all of these are just gonna be hung up on these walls. We put together the plinth. It is a box again, and yeah, later on we're gonna go pick up the thing that's going on this plinth and a couple more dragon paintings just to fill these rooms up. It's all about finalizing things and just cleaning the store space.
I got rap for that, pay no mind to that. But believe me, if it's fire, I'll make time for that. I'll be faithful, Johnny Cash, I'll walk the line for that. Otherwise, I'll just be single and I'm fine with that. Oh.
We're gonna go pick up the rest of the stuff. Hey, look who's here. Yo, yo. We rented a U-Haul for the day and we're gonna try to take advantage of it and transport as many things as we can until we have to return it later tonight. I also called the shipping people and they told me my car isn't gonna be here until later tonight, maybe midnight, but that still means I can't pick it up until tomorrow morning, so that sucks. Hello. Yo, how are you doing back there? Good. Drogger! Dude, they're doing some renovating over here. What? So we have no access. Okay. We're here at my rent's house. They're lending us the barbecue for this grand opening. So while we have the U-Haul, we're just gonna bring as much of the heavy things that we can in this. Cause yeah, we're limited. Yo, sup, bird? What's up, bird? Back in my old basement. Oh man. Let's go into my room. What can I grab from this? Yo, okay, this is the Meowth I was talking about, man. So huge. Yo, I wanted to bring these guys, man. All my rare toys. Like this gold dunny. Damn. This is where it all started, Shane. I have lights that I need to grab from here. These are the LED lights I'm talking about, bro. Oh man, I did a really good job sticking them on this. Oh, light system, robot suit, more toys, and this, the dragon painting of all dragon paintings. Yeah. So all this is going to the garage.
This is your biggest painting, isn't it?
Okay, Mom. Okay. We'll see you, okay? Just let us know if there's anything else. Good to go. We'll see you guys at the garage. Okay. Yo, Goots. What's up? Good. We are gonna begin. I have masked off this area and I'm just gonna leave enough room so we can still use the washroom. So I'll take this out of the bag and I'll show you guys how to prepare it. Once it's out of the bag, you lay it down flat. And what you're gonna actually do is push this side, part A, into part B. What that does is it opens the seal in the center, and now the contents are mixing with each other. So we're gonna mix this around like so for 3 to 5 minutes. Once this is thoroughly mixed, grab your bucket or wherever you're going to mix it in, the pearl and the protective shield, and a mixing stick. We're gonna mix all of this into here in small increments. Whoa, shiny.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice. Powerpuff Girls gonna pop out of there.
Chemical X.
Mix this now for a good 3 to 5 minutes as well. Whoa, you can see the metallic. Alright, so now you got that all mixed up. We're gonna take our brush and we're just gonna go along the walls, the border, and then that way it makes it easier for us to roll and not paint on the walls. Little by little, sirs. Oh man, this is gonna take forever. That's okay. This place is gonna look dope. Are you ready to help?
Man, what did I do to deserve this?
Welcome to KMR. Welcome to the vlogs. Cool. What have you done new?
Not much actually.
Is that a new hood?
Yeah, it's all good still.
Oh, okay. It's definitely changed a lot.
Still needs to be lowered.
Are you running coils right now?
Yeah.
But you just gotta lower it? We'll start in this corner. Woo woo!
How you want to go about it?
Just pour it, and then I'll go with whatever. They say use this bag in 45 minutes, so let's try to do as much of this as possible, yeah? Just this part was worth $1 I have gotten myself into, but it looks good. Guess I can continue putting up the paintings in the front here. Also brought these paintings from the house. Hey, so this is gonna be like a dragon gallery. I'll show you guys the inside of this room. You got the cave dragon, fire lava dragon, forest dragon, and air dragon. And if you notice, this dude is in every single one. Starts off as a kid here, growing with the dragon. The dragon is still a baby. It's an egg in this bag. There's a full story on this. I don't know what I was thinking, man. Maybe it's a metaphor. It might be a metaphor for me. Like my ambition to chase dragons. It's a term. I think it's chasing dragons. It means like looking for that perfect nirvana, getting really, really high. I think that's actually what it means. Damn. Getting there. Close that. Okay, fine. I'll wait. I'm impatient. Hesitation, excuse me, Mr. Hesitation. Okay, yo, ready for the unveiling? Finally, dude, we decided to wrap the diffuser part black, just for that extra contrast. Whoa, language.
Yo, fucking is good, man.
Oh, I guess so.
It's the new language.
In this generation, is that what the kids are saying nowadays?
Yep.
Kids are messed up. Mr. Hesitation. Take your photos, Mr. Hesitation. No flash photographies, Mr. Hesitation. Full chrome G37. Let's go. Where's the wide body though?
It's so weird how the tail light does.
Gutu got some new side splitters. This looks cool, man. I already wrapped it gold and black. Nice. That looks crazy. Yeah, that looks cool. Just like, it makes it look bigger.
Dirty, that first like shiny.
Nice. Alright, now we're finally moving on to the front bumper. It took us 3 months to wrap this thing. Hey, come on, man. Yeah, you know what? The title of this video is going to be, took us 3 months to wrap this thing and it looks like shit. But I mean, okay, it's the chrome, okay? Blame the chrome, it's actually really tough to work with. But we're learning in the process, okay? Yes, we are. I think if we were to do chrome wrap again, we'd do a much better job. Compared to gloss wrap, it really is that much harder. Let's get this lined up with the liner's tape and attack it. Get this finished, put the wheels back on, and get this car down on the ground. We've been here for like 6 months. Almost. We're so close to finishing this bumper. And Gutu is going home now with his new pieces. Man, he needs more gold now. And he has wheels coming in, so expect an update, progress soon. All right, I'm actually impressed. We did a much better job on this guy, for sure. Just gotta wipe it down, lots of fingerprints, but honestly, did a good job on this one. And we're gonna actually make these parts black. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
Time to finish this.
Okay, fine. Good answer. Come on, why so serious? We are so close, guys.
done, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much, man. But we managed to draw blood. Oh, fuck, dude. There's a trail of blood.